these are never fun videos to publish on YouTube, but Nelly and I decided to take a break from our travel vlogs because we've been getting so many comments of people here on YouTube, messages on Instagram asking us if we're aware of the situation in the Philippines currently with the devastating storm that pulled over the country. And a majority of the questions were also, do we know where our friends are, how our friends are? So we decided to take a quick break from the daily vlogs and just give you guys a quick update video. Nelly also did some research on ways that we and you and us as this community can help. And we just want to go through that today.
And spread some awareness in general, because mass media has not covering it that much, unfortunately. So we can contribute with our part, just spreading awareness and talking to you guys, letting you know that Philippines needs help right now. It's really bad. Yeah. It's really, really bad.
And I think we want to start off with the thing that was the most important to us and the most critical to us, because we've literally been sitting on needles over the past few days trying to find out how our friends are. We know that our very dear friends Paolo and Jen are safe. Yeah. Of course, they are battling with the resource problem on the island right now, but they are safe. They weren't harmed during the storm. We were very, very happy to find out yesterday evening that 8 miles from home are safe. We've got it from 2 reliable sources that they are okay, and I think they're staying with a barangay captain right now. Unfortunately, they lost all their possessions in the storm. Their house, I think, broke down. So it's really bad. But we do know that was actually the most asked question. A lot of people have been commenting if we know we're 8 miles from home are.
And they're not going to upload a vlog anytime soon because, of course, electricity is gone, internet is gone. There's only one satellite internet positioned at the airport. So it's very hard to, just share what's happening. So yeah, we thought we'll just add our 2 cents that there will not be a
Also,
an update vlog.
I received a message from my friend Sar from Goodies in SIARGAO that Tal is also fine. Yeah. He is also safe. So our friends that are on the island, we know that they are okay, which is a huge relief for us. And I don't think we could have done this video today without knowing how our friends are doing.
And I will add a list in the description box down below where you can check if your loved ones, your friends are safe, because there is a safe list and you can just access it and check.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So Nelly, you did research on how people can help on the island, because it is not just SIARGAO. A lot of the media is sharing a lot of information on SIARGAO, and on social media a lot got spread about SIARGAO, obviously because a lot of people are social media savvy that are in SIARGAO, but other parts of the Philippines also were hit really, really badly.
So of course SURIGAO in general, because it is open to that area. LEYTE, Cebu, PALAWAN, I think what is it called? Dinagat Island? I need to check. Everything is destroyed. All houses are gone. All businesses are gone. The whole livelihood is non-existent anymore for many, many people. They have no food, no water, no electricity, no access to anything that they need right now. No shelter. So we would need some tents, some evacuation tents. If you have a company who can provide tents, please let us know. You can email us and I will forward it to the locals there.
So as you guys know, we're currently not in the Philippines ourselves, so it's kind of hard for us to become active in a physical sense in like collecting goods or bringing goods to some central donation area because we're just not there. But we have all the resources. Nelly has compiled some resources, and they are all in the description box down below.
Yeah. Also, our friends Carl and Coles have been in Cebu during the typhoon, and they were pretty much homeless during that time. They made it back to Manila, and they are currently resting a little bit just to, head out again to deliver goods to SIARGAO Island. So my friend Carl will try to make a way to SIARGAO Island because the distribution of the donations has been very slow. Of course, resources are missing. There is no communication, so everything is very, very slow. The situation is so bad that people started looting in different areas, and yeah, that's why it's so urgent to cover this topic.
Yeah, I think everybody already has been put to such a test with the whole pandemic, and then for this to hit right when things seem to be getting a little bit better is really, really devastating. I think everybody was already on their absolute limit.
Yeah.
And this just kind of like pushes everything over the edge.
One resource that I found that is actually very helpful is a water filter system. I will also link it down below. They will deliver water filtration so that people on the island can just use any water that they have accessible to have drinking water. So we also need medicine, so I will also link everything down below what is needed, and what kind of foods and blankets and clothes and everything is gone. Everything.
I know this is also a kind of a stretch, and I don't know if this is possible technically, but a lot of people have been asking me to reshare a tweet kind of asking SpaceX and Skylink, Elon Musk, to utilize those satellites that we can get internet to those areas. I don't know if it's technically possible, but if anybody here is watching and has some connections within SpaceX
or just go on Twitter
Tesla,
and at Elon Musk,
exactly,
help Philippines.
Yeah, let's try and tweet as much as possible, you know, tag on Instagram and so on. If you see on our Instagram pages, we have reshared whatever we did get. Again, I don't know if it's technically possible, but if it is, let's bring the community together and try and utilize that.
Yeah. And very important, if you donate in person for relief goods, please put it in a box. Put a label outside the box, donations for SIARGAO, Cebu, Palawan, whatever, and include the list of items that is in the box. Ideally, you would put food in a box and then clothes in a box, so it's separated, so people know when they distribute the goods what is inside where. And yeah, I will link all the donation points in the description box.
And I'd like to add that we are not collecting any donations personally. These are all official channels.
Yeah.
But please, if you're donating money, if you're donating funds, please also do your due diligence. Make sure,
yes,
you know, even when we link something in the description box down below, we checked up on it, but please also do your own due diligence and check if it is official and if the funds are distributed properly.
I've only used sources from people that I know personally, where I know that the goods will be delivered and it's legit.
Yeah.
Also, the resource that I linked down below has a transparency report, so you can click on the link anytime and see the donations that have been done.
If you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments down below. We'll be monitoring the comments as good as possible. You can also shoot us a private message on Instagram.
Yeah.
We are in a different time zone, so please, you know, forgive us if we're not reachable at certain times. We are, I think, 6 hours behind Manila time.
Yeah.
All right, that's it, right? Anything else that we needed to add?
No, I'm just.
Yeah, our thoughts and prayers are with everybody that was affected by this terrible storm, and we really can't wait to be able to talk on the phone with our friends. We're thankful that we know that they are safe. We're thankful that we weren't on the island in that moment. It must have been so traumatic just by seeing all the Instagram stories and the videos. We're not going to put any of that in this video because it can be quite disturbing. And I just, let's focus on making things better. Let's focus on
rebuilding and helping, and it's Christmas very soon, so if you can donate anything, no donation is too small, please do so.
All right, thank you for watching, thank you for clicking this video. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.